When you buy a vehicle from Nipawin Chrysler Dodge, our relationship doesn't end there. New or used, we service your vehicle throughout its lifetime to keep you rolling. We believe in options, giving you the choice to call in to book online, or simply come visit our service department. When it's time for your appointment, simply pull up to the dealership and check in with the receptionists. From there, one of our service advisors will greet you. Whether you're arriving for your first free oil change or additional maintenance, our team will ask if there are any concerns with your vehicle so we can resolve everything in one visit. After a quick vehicle walk around to note your current mileage and review any physical discrepancies, we'll confirm your information at the desk, grab your keys, and get you on your way. While we service your vehicle, you have the option to take a free shuttle back to your home or work, or take a load off in our customer lounge area. Grab a coffee or water and we'll update you on your vehicle as we go. If your service will stretch over an extended period, we also have loaner vehicles that can be booked in advance or assist you with the booking process through any local rental company. At Nipawin Chrysler Dodge, we want your service appointment to be as smooth and convenient as possible. To accomplish everything in one visit, check out our accessories and tires at our parts counter, where you can order through your local advisor, or take the time to meet your service manager here to coordinate any larger requests. Whether you're still in store or out and about, with our unique technology, the actual certified technician working on your vehicle can message you a video of what they have found. Whether it's all good news or a part has worn that requires a replacement, you can approve that service update right from your phone. When your vehicle is ready, we will notify you directly, detailing the service we completed and any other potential issues to be reviewed at your next visit. At this time, you can book your next appointment or simply refer to the sticker in your windshield to notice the estimated date to book in at a later time. And that's how easy it is to come in for a service appointment. Pick up your freshly washed vehicle and ride off into the sunset. To ensure we're maintaining the highest service standards, you'll receive a manufacturer's survey. If you've had a great experience from the sales and service department, please respond to that survey and let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you again in 6 months. Any questions? Call us at 306-862-4015 or visit us online anytime at nipawinChrysler.com.